Oh, wait, are we doing that same thing over again?
Yeah.
All right. What's up, y'all? Got a good one for you guys today. So the Hyundai Genesis has a common taillight leak fix. Basically, I was driving down the road, you know, I just heard a swimming pool in the back of my trunk, all right? So we're gonna fix that today. I already fixed it on the left side, so we're about to do it on the right side. Let's go, baby. First thing you gotta do is you gotta take off this like inner lining. And Josh got one of these cool tools that we're gonna use to take it off. It's still pretty hard to take off, but I mean, if I break a few of these, I don't really care. Oh my God, see that? Like stuff like that can happen, but it's all good. Do you have a technique for this, or is it just kind of like?
I kind of go wiggle it side to side.
Side to side? Ah, okay, I see you. Nice. Dude, I didn't break any of these. Look at that. Look at that, no damage. That definitely does not look like damage to me. Oh, cool, there's no water on this side. So that's really where the problem was. But either way, I guess we'll see if there's water coming out. Let's disconnect. So you got this little socket right here. Just gonna disconnect that bad boy. And then, yeah, so on the other side, the water was coming out from this thing. So this is the gasket, I don't know if you can see, but this is the gasket that's behind our taillight. And then this is like the actual like body of the car or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, let's pour some water and see what happens. You see how like, so the other side, you see how good this kind of seal is right here? Yeah. So like we put the sealant on this one, but which makes the hole look a lot wider. But it was wide before too. It was way wider than this, which is why the water was getting in on that side. But it would make sense why this side is good, because it looks like water's barely getting in there. All right, so the first thing we did was, dude, what did we do? We went to Home Depot, we got the little sealant thing. Let me bring that, man. Let me bring that, 1 second. This thing, this is what's gonna save you from a swimming pool in your trunk. So, buy one of these. It's like, I don't know how thick it was, but as you can see, like has a little seal there. So there's like 3 circles on the back of this taillight, and basically what we did is like, we just put this thing, like imagine if this was a circle. So we just put the sealant like this, or the seal like that. And then so when the back of the taillight compresses over it, it's just not gonna be able to like, water's not gonna be able to get in because it's pretty tight. So we did that. And then we screwed it back up. Then we tested it by running some water through, and it was good. So Hyundai Genesis people, coupe, my coupe dudes out there, I see you. You're just gonna have to get one of these and then just do what I said and you'll be good, man. You'll be good.
Give them a tip on how to pop out the taillight.
Oh, okay, perfect. So Josh had this idea. Where's that hammer? I think I put it over here. I'll be back. This thing. So there's gonna be people on YouTube that just say, oh, you just gotta pop this out. You know how hard it is to pop this out? They just skipped over that entirely. I got you. You need a hammer like this. And you got one of these things, put it on the thing of the hammer. I don't know what it's called.
Turns it into a mallet.
A mallet, there you go. Yeah, it turns into a mallet. Thank you, Josh. And then, so there's gonna be screws on the back of the taillight. And if you just hit it like pretty hard, just hit it on like all 4, there's 4 screws back there. Just wanna keep hitting it, and then your taillight will pop out. And it's a lot easier than just trying to like pull it out from here because you don't have much grip. Yeah, man, I can't think of anything else. You guys saw the video. Maybe we'll have more videos coming soon, who knows? Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. like and subscribe. Thanks, Josh.